just wanted to quickly introduce the vlog. If you happen to be a newbie coming through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm currently on a supposed to be vacation, but I'm turning it into a workcation. And on my way down to the pool area because I need to get some content for Instagram. And if you are connected with me, if you haven't connected with me on Instagram, I highly and strongly encourage that you do so. In the meantime, like I said, I just want to introduce this vlog real quick, and I will see y'all again shortly. I'm doing a quick change. Let me quickly show you my dress I got from Shein, which looks like this right here. I thought it was super cute. Don't mind that bag. That bag is there because I did a quick change in the bathroom. We're gonna try this one more time. I'm gonna try and set y'all up to where you can get some behind the scenes of what it's looking like when I do the photo shoots. I need to find a new area to shoot in because everybody in that window over there, they've been staring at all the other pictures I've already taken over here. So yeah, I think this scenery is pretty nice. What do you dolls think? Yeah, I think right here is going to be pretty cool. Yep, I'm liking it. Ooh, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. I'm loving this. Let me try and set y'all up. Praying that you don't fall. Okay. So I got my tripod and I'm going to set up. Let me try this another way. Okay, dolls, I decided to try to get some shots of me being in the pool. I love it here. Oh my gosh, if you ever in Orlando, Florida, it is imperative that you stay at the Hyatt Regency Grand Cypress Gated Resort Hotel. I'm telling you. Fast. Period. Convinced me to take the wig off and go underneath the waterfall. Let me show you all the waterfall. Let me see. Can you get that? I think you can get that. Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna take the wig off and go underneath the waterfall. Okay? it's a whole nother day. And I don't think I mentioned to you all that not only am I in, you know, Florida, Orlando, that is, you know, I'm down here with my mom, you know, my husband and family. Well, I'm taking my mother to Disney for the very first time. She never been before, so I was kind of excited to show it to her, because she's one of those people that was under the spell and notion that Disney's only for kids. No, it is not. In fact, if you go there with the kids, you might be a little bit disappointed, because you're going to feel some kind of way, because you're going to see a whole lot of stuff that adults can do. Yeah, so actually we get ready to go to Disney Springs, which is downtown Disney, just to get some food real quick. And I'm thinking it's about to rain. Florida and they weather. Do you see that cloud? Can you? I don't know if you can really get that. Like, there's a huge cloud right there, and it looked like it's about to pour down. One thing I can say about Florida is it rains all the time. Like, yeah, all the time. So yeah, I'm staying in the Hyatt Regency Grand Cypress. It's a beautiful resort, but right now I need to get on over to the car so we can try to go and find something to eat. So at least I can share that with you all. Let's go.
Catch those buses.
Oh, you had to catch the buses? Yeah, well, this is my first, well, not my first time, but I'm down in Disney Springs. And remember when I showed you all them clouds? It poured down, child. I was like, my sneakers better not get messed up. You know, when you go on vacay, you gotta buy some fresh white kicks. Anyway, what are we gonna eat? Huh? I'll figure it out. Okay, dolls, this is the part where the voiceover is absolutely necessary, simply because the restaurant music was entirely too loud and I need to avoid copyright infringement. So this was my first time actually dining within SDK. I've been before, but just to the bar. My mom, she'd had the spare ribs with mashed potatoes. I decided to go with the Chilean sea bass. They said it was a family recipe. And Rev, my husband, he had his lobster with steak with some garlic and some kind of olive oil sauce. So this is the macaroni and cheese trio. One is shrimp, one is lobster, and one is crab. And I also ordered the asparagus. So I gotta admit, the food, it was, you know, it was pretty good. The Chilean sea bass was okay, not bad. But you know what I love was this right here. My signature cocktail. If you know it, comment down below, because it was so good. And that's on series, okay? The best. So anyway, I have some surprising news for you all. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek into what I've been working on, which I am so proud of, and I want you to take a look at this real quick. Oh my gosh, surprise! The MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics 35 eyeshadow colored palette is being prepped and shipped to be in your hands very soon. So what do you dolls think? Oh my gosh, the palettes are being restocked. Different packaging, okay? Different packaging. I'm expanding the cosmetic line. I told you all several times throughout several different videos that this was happening, and I'm so happy to be able to share it with you all. In fact, I'm going to give a toast to a new beginning for the cosmetic line. I'm so appreciative of each and every one of you, you know, your support. It's so humbling to me. So yeah, that was just a sneak peek, okay? That was how the packaging is coming. It's gonna come sealed, ready to go, and ready for you all to order very shortly. I'm working on revamping the website so you know, dolls will be able to log on and place your orders. And yeah, I just wanted to share that sneak peek with you all. day, dolls. So, first day out. Well, not the first day out, but we finally made it to Magic Kingdom. And this sun is no daggone joke. You know, kudos to you Florida residents, but you know, I'm a northern girl, and I see why. Oh, they got the parade going. Oh, look at Tinkerbell. It is 94 degrees, feeling like 102. Yeah, I'm gonna go up in this castle, tell Cinderella I'm back home, so I came to reclaim my throne. Okay, dolls, so here's a fun fact and story about Cinderella. Back in the day, you know, we used to hang out and stuff, and the prince, he actually had liked me, but you know, I wasn't really feeling him because
no, she was.
I was like, well, you ain't gotta say all that, because that was supposed to be my glass slipper, but you know, I wasn't home at the time, and then he was feeling some kind of way. Now, technically, if you really look back at the story, the shoe really didn't fit, but she made it work for her, and now she's up in the castle, which was supposed to be mine. But you know, I got a better castle that's being built for me anyway, with a better prince, so you know, she can have that prince because I got my own. So yeah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Of course, it's fictional though. Like I said, we made it into Magic Kingdom. There's the castle right there.
Where is the Google?
My mom is trying to use the phone. Google.
You see it?
I'm gonna help her with that. I'm gonna come back. You'll probably see me eating something because I got my umbrella. But it is hot. I finally found that infamous, huge, giant Flintstone turkey leg. Look at that. If that's the leg, I would have loved to see the whole daggone turkey.
The turkey was huge.
Woo. So look who I found. Oh.
When you started working.
Thank you, Mickey.
Love you. Well, Minnie leaving.
Got like a whole bunch.
We managed to see Mickey and Minnie, but you know, because it's a pandemic and whatnot, they're not taking pictures with people like they used to. What's that? Pocahontas? Huh? I don't know who she is at the top. Oh, Little Bo Peep, right? Mary Poppins? Hi! Oh, Aladdin! Aladdin! Well, we can walk behind them. Come on, let's go. And on that note, that concludes my day at Magic Kingdom. We're now going to head on over to Ebates, and then we're going to try to visit Animal Kingdom. I may follow that up in a separate vlog, but in the meantime, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure we stay socially connected, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.